Okay, so it's Saturday afternoon. We're done for the day, and what a day it's been. Let me take you through. So, firstly, uh, Hugo and Irene came and helped us again, and did some patching for us, uh, where we still needed to do some patching. In the week, I did some caulking on the shower. That still needs to be completed. We tested out some paint colors to see what will work for the bathroom and whatnot. Then, if we go through, big things happened in the office. So first of all, you'll see the top panel has been installed. We've built a back wall to make that nice and square. This wall has been covered up and completed. Only a small portion that needs to be caulked at the bottom here. In TJ's room, we've installed the first few wall panels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We built the main part of the services duct. There's still some portions that we need to do in the future, but that we'll do as we go along. So we still need to do some sections of his wall. We're going to do his entire room with drywalling, so we've got a nice smooth canvas to work on to give him a proper room. The guys from Kiradak was also here today to caulk the windows. You'll also see we installed the top part there on the window, so that's been done as well. Then if we go downstairs, I'm not going to take you guys into the basement completely, but I'll just show you guys there. We installed the connection to the city drain. So officially our drainage system is now complete, hooked up to the main system. The only thing outstanding is the vent in the roof to get that installed. Then that installation is completely done. We also received our stove. So there, that needs to be installed in our new kitchen. So we got the new slab as well, so that can go further as well. So, yeah, lots that happened. But I still forgot to show you guys more. So in the technical room, we had to break out this window and close it up to install the new door, and we've closed it up on the outside as well. In future, this will be cladded with a nice cladding. For now, it's just going to remain as is, just waterproofed, and making sure that we're wind and watertight inside the house. Yeah, lots happening. Loving it. Okay, Sunday evening, we're done for the day. We did some shopping to make sure that we have all the rest of the equipment that we need for the installations in the evenings this week. And then we came back and finished up in TJ's room. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You'll see all the walls are now nicely drywalled. The box is closed up as far as we're going to close it up at this point, because later the ducts and things are going to come through, and then we'll finish up the box. And we've closed up at the top as well. So now we can start finishing it off. Plumbing, painting, getting the ceilings painted. So this week is going to be a lot of trying to get as much finished as possible, so that we can do any bulk work that's still needed in the next weekend. So the week thereafter, we can do the floors. Yeah, time is getting quite tough. 21st of March is moving day, so stick with us.